Whoa, that got me dizzy. Hi there. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting video for you guys. So many of you guys know that fitness is a huge part of my life. And I grew up watching different influencers and following different programs. So today we're gonna see what it's like to follow the diet plans and the workout plans of some of the top influencers in the world that probably you're following too. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So first exercise we're gonna be doing, many of you guys know her, Chloe Ting. She's one of the top fitness influencers and she got really popular over quarantine when she made a video that you can get abs in just 2 weeks. Well, today we're gonna put that test to the test. But with over 3 million followers and over 350 million views on that video, I mean, for me, honestly, I'm excited to do this. Abs for me is like riding a horse naked. It's just something that I don't do. But this looks kind of brutal. It's 21 exercises, 30 seconds on, 2 exercises back to back, and then 10 seconds off. So let's go ahead and get into it, and I'll let you guys know if, you know what, in 2 weeks I could get abs doing this workout. So let's get it. So the workout is done. Definitely try it. I learned something new. I learned that one, that's not the type of cardio that I like to wake up to in the morning and do first thing in the morning. I meant go for a walk. And second, I definitely need to train my core more. So I'm gonna be doing this for a couple weeks. Try it out. And yeah, definitely use it. I don't know if you'll get abs in 2 weeks. I can't promise you that because realistically, your body fat is just gonna have to get low enough to be able to have abs. But definitely try it out. It helps build the core muscles and it was just fun overall. So now we're gonna go into the kitchen and we're gonna get cooking because I'm hungry, I'm starving, and we have some anabolic French toast that we're gonna make. We are in the kitchen, which means that we are with none other than Mr. Last Bite Best Bite himself, Jesse James West. I still don't understand that. Why is it Last Bite Best Bite? If it was a delicious meal, wouldn't it be the first bite is the best bite? No, you see what it is. It's a metaphor, which means the last bite is the one that you cherish the most. Therefore, it is the best bite. Now, we're gonna be cooking his anabolic French toast, and I know what many of you guys are thinking.
Caleb, you look good in an apron.
Stay focused. What is anabolic French toast? Anabolic French toast means that it's 0 calories.
Cap.
That's wrong. Anabolic French toast means that it's higher in protein and lower in calories. So, Mr. Jesse James West actually has over 400,000 YouTube subscribers right now, which is crazy because when I started following him, he had just over 50,000. That guy's insane. And he's honestly one of my favorite YouTubers and kind of why I got into YouTube, but he's just a straight dream chaser, which is something that I admire about him, is that, you know what, he's been grinding and he's gotten sponsored by Rise, Transparent Labs, and he started his own company and he's only like 21 years old. That's insane. So we're gonna go ahead and start cooking and I hope you guys enjoy. So, anabolic French toast complete. If you're wondering why they're green, I don't know. No, I'm kidding. I was feeling a little bit festive and I had mint chocolate chip protein, so yeah, we're gonna taste it out. This is my first time trying it out. As Jesse would like to say, if it's not dripping, it ain't drowning. He loves sugar-free syrup, but for me, I'd rather, you know what, give it a little dip and then straight to the lip. So I'm gonna have a dipping sauce here. And what I did was Greek yogurt, a little bit of almond milk, and PB squared to make myself a dip. So I'm gonna kill this. And yeah, honestly, when you guys make French toast like this, use your hands. It's a lot more fun. So let's get into it. Ooh, it's a little funky, but it's still really good. Hey Google! Hey, you know what it is. Play One Direction, baby.
Playing One Direction on Spotify.
You don't know you're beautiful. If you guys are wondering how fast I eat, the song just ended. Last bite, best bite, baby. I just realized that I was gonna have a banana with it, but it was in my pocket and I thought it was my phone the whole time. So the funny thing is that I'm recording with my phone, so I don't know, whatever. So transition in 3, 2, 1. So before we get into today's workout, I want to give a huge shout out to today's sponsors. This video is brought to you by Caleb's bank account. So make sure to like, subscribe, and hit your post notifications so that way you never miss a video and Caleb can start making some of his money back. Seriously guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button because I'm gonna need it. We're gonna get into today's back workout. So this back workout is actually by Simeon Panda. He trained at home for 5 to 6 years before ever going into the gym. So if you think you need to be in the gym, it's not true. You can get quick, effective workouts at home. So all you need for this workout is gonna be a towel. So, you know, this is a towel that my brother and I share. Well, I mean, I share it with him. He doesn't know that I'm using it. But at the same time, make sure you guys are, you know, learning something from this. If you guys are introverts or just kind of new to the gym, scared to go, this is a great way to learn like functional movements because the gym can be a scary place, not gonna lie. But yeah, instead of sitting back, why don't you get up? We're gonna do this together. We're gonna do about 4 sets of each workout.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm backed up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying Carhartt, car cards to get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up.
All right, that is the back workout. Honestly, it's really effective. It helps control and get a good mind-muscle connection. So remember, Do 3 to 5 sets between those and you should get a good workout. Now, we're gonna go ahead and cook up some lunch, baby. Woo! All right, next up, we're gonna be cooking a zucchini boat recipe from a man with some serious serial killer vibes and also a weird fetish for zucchini and blindfolds. Luckily, we're just gonna be using the zucchini today, no blindfolds. Will Tennyson. Yeah, Will Tennyson is one of my favorite YouTubers. He's a natural Gymshark athlete and he actually is so inspiring. He lost over 100 pounds. Many of you guys don't know his story, but go check out his channel. All you're gonna need is zucchini for this recipe, well, and meat and some seasoning. It was so hard for me to find zucchini in the grocery store. I couldn't find them anywhere. Luckily, I was able to find these in my brother's room. They're a little wet still. Yeah. Hey, not too bad, right? They didn't come out as pretty as Will's, but that's okay. It was my first time making these. Zucchini is such an awesome food. I use it in my salads all the time. It's very low calorie. You can use it for all sorts of different recipes, all sorts of different activities. Yeah, this one is a little bit larger than the others. If that's the case, don't worry about it, guys. That's sometimes just how it happens. And to wash it all down, I have a little bit of Coke Zero. There's no cup necessary. This is about a meal serving size. So yeah, I'm gonna kill these, enjoy them, and make sure you guys stick around because at the end of the video, I have something really important to show you guys. Or to talk to you guys about. I'm not gonna show you guys anything. I'm gonna talk to you guys about something though. So it's been a couple of hours since I last ate. I'm extremely hungry. Right now, yes, I know it's still light outside and it's dinner time, is because in Arizona, the sun doesn't go down until like 8 o'clock during the summers. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be making Chrissy Sila's spag bowl dish. Now, Chrissy Sila has over 2.4 million Instagram followers, and I recently started following her within the last like couple months. But she's a co-founder of One Interactive, and she also wrote her own book, which, you know, I have not read, but I'm sure it's fantastic. So if you're a big reader, go do that. And she also has her own app where, you know, she gives you customized meal plans and workouts. So if you're a lady and you are looking for something like that, I recommend you go and checking her out. And just like that, we have our spag bowl. I know hers came out a lot nicer than mine, but it's okay. I'm still practicing. And it's in a container because I honestly don't know. It just felt right, so I'm gonna leave that there. And in the meantime, I'm gonna finish off the rest of this Coke Zero because one, I have an addiction. That's the only reason why. But it's honestly better and cheaper to buy the big bottle than it is the 12 pack. So if you want to help your boy with his addiction and put me through rehab, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, share the video so that way your boy can start making some of his money back and I can buy the 12 pack like a normal human being. So, and until then, I will eat this and I'm gonna catch up with you guys at dessert time. Oh yeah, we got something sweet for you guys, so. What's up, y'all? Now we're back with something super sweet. One of my favorite things in the world is donuts, right behind cinnamon rolls. But we're gonna be making Ruba Ali's protein donuts. Oh, Ruba.
Never seen you looking so lovely as you did tonight.
If you're watching this, Ruba, hey.
How you doing?
So I have all the ingredients that I need here, so we're gonna go ahead and get started baking. But before we start that, Ruba, if you don't know her, she has like over 1 million followers on Instagram. She's a Gymshark athlete, but she's also just a super cool and chill person. She always travels the world, whether it's for like business meetings or for like photo shoots, whatever it is, she's always up and out and about. But also her training, it's super intense. If you haven't checked her out on Instagram, go do that because, you know, I would like to train like that, but I don't think my lower back or my heart could take it. So I'm gonna leave that up for you guys. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started baking. Also, if you're looking for a guy who can bake, I'm not your guy. But I'm sure there's a really lovely guy out there who can bake. But in the meantime, I'm gonna be learning. So. So this is probably one thing that I'm super excited for. You can decorate however you want. I just put stevia on top just because I'm basic with my donuts. But yeah, let's first test. Yeah, you know, I'm a huge donut lover, and this is a pretty good alternative, especially if I'm craving that sweet tooth. It doesn't take very long to prepare, so highly recommend. So, very solid day. Honestly, a little bit over 2,200 calories throughout the day, which is very doable, especially for like somebody who's just trying to build lean muscle. 229 grams of carbs, 47 grams of fat, 228 grams of protein. So very solid overall. Honestly, my favorite meal of the day, if I had to pick, would probably be the donuts. So shout out to you, Ruba. I really enjoyed those. Everything else was phenomenal as well. Back workout, make sure you guys try that. Chloe Ting's workout, make sure you guys are going and doing that. I'll have all of their channels linked down below. But before we leave, I wanted to go ahead and give you guys a little bit of some feedback as to what I kind of learned throughout the day. So the first thing is, obviously it's great to follow these Instagram fitness influencers, and it's good to follow them because one, you can learn a lot from them, two, they're inspiring, so they keep you motivated. But the one thing I want to make sure you guys understand is that you shouldn't be comparing yourself to these people, right? And what I mean by that is, obviously, yes, you want to push to the best of your abilities and you want to keep competing with yourself and getting the best that you can. But when you think in terms of fitness and overall physique, these guys and girls, they're the top of the top, you know, like that's why they're the Gymshark athletes. That's why they're the most elite athletes who are getting sponsored. So don't feel discouraged, especially if you're new into the gym. When you see these guys with amazing physiques or these girls who have, you know, like shreds up to the max, don't get discouraged because at the end of the day, they're just trying to better themselves and so are you. But make sure you guys take that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, these recipes, they're awesome. Continue to use them. Keep being creative in the kitchen because it helps you with your nutrition and it helps keep you from getting bored. Get jacked, make all of your friends look like pathetic, skinny little weirdos. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying today's video. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you haven't already. And that's all I have for you guys today. So take care of yourself, take care of your family, and stay blessed. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.